Welcome to the Natural Life Animals channel. Today, we're going to explore a remarkable animal, a symbol of endurance and resilience in the harshest environments on Earth, the camel. Camels, belonging to the Camelidae family, are one of the most adaptable animals in arid environments. There are two main types of camels, the Bactrian camel, with two humps, found mainly in Central Asia, and the dromedary camel, with one hump, common in North Africa and the Middle East. Camels have unique physical features that enable them to survive in harsh conditions. The camel's hump stores fat, not water, which allows them to go without food for days. Their thick and long fur protects them from the extreme heat during the day and the cold at night. Their broad and flexible feet help them move easily on soft sand. Camels are herbivores, feeding on dry desert vegetation. When they find water, they can drink up to 40 liters in a few minutes, which helps them survive in water-scarce regions. Camels typically reproduce every 2 years. The young camels can stand and walk just a few hours after birth. Camel mothers are very attentive, ensuring their young are safe and well-nourished. Camels play a significant role not only in nature but also in the culture and economy of many communities. They are used for transportation of goods, as a source of milk and meat, and in many cultures, they symbolize patience and strength. Despite their resilience, camels face challenges such as climate change and the depletion of natural resources. Conservation efforts are underway to protect and maintain camel populations in the wild. Camels are fascinating creatures with many unique traits. They can close their nostrils to keep out sand, and they can run at speeds of up to 65 kilometers per hour. These features make camels truly extraordinary animals. Camels are a testament to the incredible adaptability of nature. We hope this video has helped you learn more about the life and importance of these remarkable animals. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating videos from the Natural Life Animals channel. See you in the next video.